Google has shut down world's few of the best competitive programming contests like CodeJam, Google Kickstart, etc. Few big service-based companies in India like Wipro has also announced to shut down their hiring competitive programming contest in India from the year 2023. The artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT, Google Bard, and the new AI tool of Google like Google Gemini, they are performing up to an accuracy of 60% in competitive programming. So is competitive programming is really worth it to learn in 2024? Should you give it a try? Should you learn it to get a job or not? Let's talk about it. So hey guys, this is Rahul here, and in today's video we are going to talk about the most important topic for a college student or for a coder. Is competitive programming really worth it? Look, in my point of view, there can be two scenarios for you if you want to do competitive programming or if you are doing competitive programming. So number one is the guy who is doing competitive programming for the love of competitive programming. We can say CP, okay? So you are doing CP just because of your love towards it, because of your interest towards it, and you want to test your skills and you want to show it to the world, okay? Then comes the number two, those who are doing CP for the sake of getting a job, for the sake of improving their resume, and for the sake of getting interview calls, okay? So these are the two sides, and let's talk about these two sides in detail. So first of all, I would like to say about the first category is you can continue competitive programming. You can continue CP. There is no threat for you in the upcoming 2 to 3 years. Not at all. Means if you are doing CP for the sake of that you love it, you like it, and you are doing it, then that's completely okay. No one can stop you from doing what you like. And what I mean about that you like is you are good at it, okay? Means you are at least around 2000 or 1800 rating on any good platform like Codeforces or CodeChef, you can say. It's not like you are just a beginner and you are saying that I like competitive programming and I am doing it, and you are not also improving your ranks. That's really not good. Then just stop it, then try to learn development rather than CP, okay? So that's my advice for the first category. And talking about now the second category persons. You are learning CP or you are doing CP for the sake of getting a job or for the sake of getting interview calls. Look, if you are someone who is doing CP for getting interview calls, then now it's going to be really hard for you, because most of the good competitive programming contests like Google Code Kickstart or CodeJam, or there are a hell lot of contests, they have shut down, and more of this is likely to be happen in 2024 as well. So if you are someone who is doing CP for the sake of just getting calls or interview calls, then it's going to be decline. So I will suggest you not to prefer it just for the sake of getting interview calls, okay? Other than that, you can refer to other platforms that can help you to land jobs easily rather than spending 2 to 2.5 years on CP and then improving your ranks just for getting a call or interview opportunities, okay? And if you are someone who is trying to improve your resume with the help of CP, then it's good, because the skills in your resume, the CP skills in your resume showcases that you have a good problem solving ability. It's not like in whatever contest you perform, that doesn't matter. It can be coding ninjas, it can be lead code, or it can be CodeChef or Codeforces. It doesn't matter that, okay, that Kickstart shut down. It doesn't matter, because you can refer to other contests as well. It's just about putting your skills in the resume, showcasing your skills, so you can showcase them in whatever way you want. So yeah, and all in all, like I'll say is, if you are doing CP, just become really good at it. Just don't keep yourself up to a limit of like 1400 or 1500 rating and you are saying yourself a competitive programmer. Just don't do that. If you are doing that and you are spending a lot of time of yours in that, then I would suggest you to try other things like, you can try out open source, you can try out development, you can try out giving hackathons, you can try out participating in hackathons, you can try out building projects, and who knows that what thing suits you. So I would suggest you just try out different things and do whatever suits you. But if you are doing CP just for the sake of getting interview calls or resume, just don't do that. If you're doing that for the interest, keep doing, and you will definitely do good. And if you want to get interview calls, you want to get hired, there are other ways too, like GSOC you can do open source, you can build good projects, you can participate in hackathons. Smart India hackathon is nowadays very popular. You can try out, and there are other hackathons as well, not SIH only. So just explore out things, explore out other domains, and if anything suits you, then you can try out that as well. So that was my piece of advice for you, and I think that can help you to understand things, to clarify things for you, that you should do CP or not. If yes, then please don't forget to drop a like on this video. You can follow me on socials as well, and I will be catching you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.